Hi everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the half double crochet stitch. So go ahead and attach your yarn to your crochet hook and chain 5. And 5. So once you've chained 5, go ahead and yarn over. So grabbing that yarn, and we are going to insert our hook not in this first chain from the hook, but the second chain from the hook. So you can see that's the first and that's the second. So you're going to insert your hook underneath that V, so between the V and this back loop back here. So what you're going to want to do is yarn over and pull that yarn through 2 of those loops, like that. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. Go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 3. So now you've made one half double crochet stitch. We're going to keep practicing across this row. So yarn over and insert your hook into that next chain. You want to go up under both parts of that V, like that. And you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. You should have 3 loops on your hook now. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So now you can make the half double crochet stitch. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.